Hello guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we have a wonderful song called All I Want by Kodaline. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar and standard tuning, and you are going to learn two versions of this song. One of them we won't need a cable and we are going to use one bar chord, and other easy version we won't use any bar chords. So let's jump to the lesson. Let's start with this strumming pattern because we are going to use this strumming pattern for entire song. So the strumming pattern goes like down, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up. But notice that we are going to add accent in the first down. It means that we are going to play that strum a little bit harder than the rest. For example, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Now a little bit faster. So now that we learned our strumming pattern, let's start with the intro part. The intro part is really super simple because we have just one easy chord, C, that we are going to play for each strumming pattern. So the intro part will sound like this. Now we get to the verse/interlude part. Now here we have two parts of chords. In the first part of chords we have C for two strumming pattern, we have F for one strumming pattern, and again C for four strumming pattern. So the first part will sound like this. Now we get to the second part of verse/interlude chords. We have C for two strumming pattern. We have G/B for one strumming pattern. The only difference with ordinary and normal G is that you are not going to hit the bass note, or mute it, or not play the bass note. And A minor for four chords. And we have F for three strumming pattern, and then C for three strumming pattern. And we're going to play the last two chords for two times. Besides, we're going to play each chord for three strumming pattern. So in total, the verse/interlude part will sound like this. Now we get to the chorus/bridge part. Now here we have A minor, F, C, and G. And we are going to play each chord for four strumming pattern. So the chorus part will sound like this. Now we get to the instrumental part, which is really nice and easy. We have D minor for first strumming pattern and G for first strumming pattern. Again D minor for first strumming pattern and G. Now this time we're going to play G for H strumming pattern. So the instrumental part will sound like this. Now finally we get to the outro part, which is really easy because we just have C, F, and again C, and there is no specific strumming pattern, and we're just going to use down strum and hold them out. So the outro will sound like this. And that's it for the no capo version. If you have problem with holding bar chords, then let's jump to the capo version. So put your capo on the 5th fret and let's learn the easy version. So for the intro part, our chord shape will change to the G for H strumming pattern. And notice that we are going to use the same strumming pattern that we used in the no capo version. So the intro part will sound like this. Now we get to the verse/interlude part, and our chords will change to G for 2 strumming pattern, C 1 strumming pattern, and again G for 1st strumming pattern. This was the first part, and the second part will change to G, D, and E minor. G for 2 strumming pattern, D for 1, and E minor for 1st strumming pattern. And the last 2 chords will change to C for 3 strumming pattern and G for a 3 strumming pattern. So the verse/interlude part will sound like this. Now we get to the chorus and bridge part, and our chords will change to E minor, C, G, and finally D. And notice that we're going to play each chord for 1st strumming pattern. So the chorus/bridge part will sound like this. Next, we get to the instrumental parts, and our chords are E minor, D for 1st strumming patterns, and again E minor for 1st strumming pattern, and D for H strumming pattern. So the instrumental part will sound like this. Now finally we get to the outro part, which is really simple because we have just 3 chords, D, G, and C, and we're going to use just down strum for each chord and hold them out. So the outro will sound like this. Thanks guys, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more super simple guitar tutorials. See you later.